Managing social media can take up a lot of your time. But what if I told you you could effortlessly automate all your social media posts with just a single click? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate your social media posts like this. When I click on run once, this automation is writing and posting for me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So you don't need to write content from scratch. And you don't need to log into each platform to post manually every single time. Also, this automation not only generates the content for your posts, but also creates stunning AI-generated images for each post. Impressive, right? This will save you a lot of time and help you be consistent with your posts and improve your social media presence. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to automate your social media posts from start to finish. So without any delay, let's dive right in. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Now before we start, let me show you a quick demo of how we are going to automate our social media posts. So here's the Google Sheet that we'll be using in this video. You can see we have three different types of inputs, which are text, link, and an image URL. Now you can either give it a single input like just a text, link to an article, or an image, or just give different combinations of inputs like an image along with the text, text with a link to an article, or adding all these three. Whatever combinations you give it, it will analyze it and generate the content for your posts automatically using AI. For example, I'm going to enter the link to an article. Then if you click on create and post, AI will automatically analyze that article and generate unique content for all these three different platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Now just take a look at this content and make sure everything is good. So if you want any changes, you can easily do that here. Once you're satisfied with the post, just click publish. You can see that it has automatically published the post and we have got the links to the post right here in the Google Sheet. If you click on it, you'll see the post on your page. That's amazing, right? All of this is possible with the automation that we are going to use in this video. First, we'll get a new Google Sheet, then we are going to connect it with the automation. This module will read the input that we gave in the Google Sheet and then start creating the post. Once that is done, here you can see we have three different group of modules. The first group of modules is used to analyze the input data that we enter in the Google Sheet. After that, the data is analyzed using the second group of modules, which will summarize the data and then generate the content for your posts. And the last group will publish the post on social media accounts. Amazing, right? That's how the automation works. But if you're looking for an even faster way to automate your social media posts without setting up an entire automation yourself, then there's an exciting tool on the way. GravityWrite is about to launch a tool called AI Social Media Post Creator that does this exact automation but makes it much simpler and easier to use. All you have to do is enter any content you want, be it a text, a link, or an image, and then within a single click, your post will be ready along with a unique AI generated image. Now just select the variation you want, click continue, and it will be added here. Now you can select the social media account and click post now, and it will instantly go live on all your social media pages. You can also schedule your post to be published at a later time. Pretty cool, right? Once the tool is ready, you will find it by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, for now, let's see how to set up this automation to automate your social media posts. To do that, we're going to do 6 parts. The first part is to create an account on make.com. This is the tool that we are going to use to automate our social media posts. To create an account, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now click get started for free and you will be taken to this page. Okay, once you have created the account on make.com, we can now go to the second part, which is to import the pre-built automation. Now if we build the automation from scratch, it will take a long time because it's going to involve a lot of steps. So to avoid this, we can directly import the pre-built automation that we showed in the beginning and just set it up. To import it, just click the link below this video. Now just click here and download it to your computer. Once that is downloaded, go back to this tab, click on create new scenario, and you will get this page. Now to import the blueprint, click on these 3 dots, click import blueprint, then click on choose file. Now upload the blueprint which you just downloaded and click save. As you can see, we have successfully imported the automation. And once you're done, we can start setting it up. Before we start, first we need to get the Google Sheets which I showed you in the beginning of this video. we are going to use Google Sheets to input the data for the AI to generate the posts and also act as a trigger to publish the posts on our social media accounts. So to get the Google Sheet, just click the link in the description below and you will get this sheet. To make a copy of it, just go to File, then click here and click Make a Copy. Once you have your Google Sheet, you can set up the automation. So let's go to the third part of this video, which is to set up the Google Sheets module. To set up the Google Sheets modules, we are going to do 5 steps. The first step is to install the Make extension on the Google Sheet. So to install it, click on Extensions, then go to Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. Here search for Make and you will get this extension. Just click on it, click Install and click Continue. Now sign in with your Google account, click Allow and click Done. Okay, we have now successfully installed the Make extension. Once you have done that, close this, then click on Extension, go to Make for Google Sheets, click Settings, and here you will find a webhook field where you need to add a URL. To get the URL, we need to create a webhook. So let's go to the next step, which is to create a webhook in make.com. So to create a webhook, go to this tab, click on the module, then click Create a Webhook. Click Save, and you will get the URL here. Once you have the URL, let's go to the next step, which is to add the URL to the Google Sheet. So to add the URL to the sheet, just copy it, then go to the Google Sheet and paste the URL here. Click Save, click OK, and it's done. Just go back to this tab and click OK. And now we have successfully created the webhook and added the URL to the Google Sheet. Once you have done that, we can go to the next step, which is to connect your Google account to this module. So to do that, let's click this module, click Create a Connection, then sign in with your Google account. Click Allow, then click OK, and it's done. We have now successfully connected our Google account to this module. Now to complete setting up the Google Sheets module, we can now go to the final step, which is to select your Google account in all the Google Sheets module. To do that, click on the module, then click here, and you can see we have a Google account here. Just click on it, click OK, and it's done. In the same way, you can set up all the remaining Google Sheets module. Okay, we have now successfully completed setting up the Google Sheets module. And once you've done that, we can now go to the next part, which is to get the API keys for these 3 AI modules. These are the 3 main AI modules that we will be using for the automation, which are ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and finally Leonardo API. First, we have to get the API key for ChatGPT. So you get the API key, just click the link below this video, and it will take you to this page. To get the API key, first we have to purchase the credits from ChatGPT. To do that, just click Add Payment Details. Just go here, then enter your card details and address. Once you're done, click Continue. Now enter the amount of credits that you want to purchase. The minimum amount that you can enter here is $5, which will give you 2 million tokens to generate the content. So I'm going to change it to $5. Then click Continue and click Confirm Payment. You can see that we have purchased the credits. Now to get the API key, just go here and click Create New Secret Key. You will get this box. Just enter the name here, click on Create Secret Key, and once you got the API key, just copy it and paste it in the notepad like this. So now we've got the API key from ChatGPT. Similarly, we will get the API keys for the other AI modules. Next, let's get the API key from Perplexity AI. With Perplexity AI, you can extract information from various sources like articles, blogs, and websites, making it much easier to create the posts based on that content. To get the API key from Perplexity AI, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now click Sign Up and sign up with your Google account. To get the API key, just go here, then go to API, click on Setup, enter your card details, and click submit. Then click buy credits and enter the amount of credits that you want to purchase. The minimum amount that you can enter here is $3. I'm going to enter $3 and click buy now. Then click yes. And as you can see that we have purchased the credits. Once you have done that, just click on generate and you can see that we have got the API key. Now let's copy it and paste it onto the notepad. Okay, we have now got the API key from Perplexity AI. Finally, we will get the API key from Leonardo AI. As you all know, Leonardo AI is an image generation tool and we are going to use it to create stunning images for our posts just like this. To get the API key from Leonardo AI, just click the link below this video and you will be taken to this page. Now click get started and sign up with your Google account. Once you've done that, go to API Access, click subscribe to API plan and you will get different plans to choose from. You can purchase the plan you want and get the API key. Once you have the API key from Leonardo AI, make sure you save it to a notepad. Okay, so now we have successfully got the API keys for all these 3 AI modules. We can now go to the 5th part, which is to add the API keys to the modules. First, let's add the API key to the ChatGPT module. To add it, just click on the module and click create a connection. Here we need to add the API key that we got from ChatGPT. Just copy it and paste it here. Then click save, click OK, and it's done. Okay, we have now added the API key to the ChatGPT module, and once you have done that, next let's connect our OpenAI account to the other ChatGPT module. To do that, just click on it, then click here, choose my OpenAI connection, click OK, and it's done. In the same way, you can connect your OpenAI account to all the other ChatGPT modules. And once you're done, next let's add the API key to the Perplexity AI module. Just click on it, click create a connection, then add the API key here, click save, click OK, and it's done. Okay, we have now added the API key to Perplexity AI. Finally, let's add the API key to Leonardo AI module. And to do that, just like we did before, just click on it, click create connection, and add the API key that you got from Leonardo AI. Then click save, click OK, and it's done. Okay, so now we have added the API keys for all the AI modules and successfully set them up. Now let's go to the final part of setting up this automation, which is to connect our social media accounts to these modules. And once we connect them, the automation will be able to directly publish the posts to our social media accounts. Okay, so first we will connect our Facebook account to this module. Now before you do that, make sure you have a business page for your Facebook account. And if you don't have a business page, you can create one by watching this video. Once you have created it, you can now connect your Facebook account to this module. Just click on it, then click create a connection, click save, and here you will find your Facebook account. So just click continue, click OK, and it's done. Once you have connected your Facebook account, for the next module, you just have to select it and then it will be done. To do that, just click on the module, choose your Facebook account, and click OK. And that's it. We have now successfully connected our Facebook account. In the same way, let's connect our other social media accounts to the remaining modules. Next, we have the Instagram module. To connect your Instagram account to this module, first, make sure you have a business account on Instagram and it is connected to your Facebook business account. If you want to know how to connect it, you can check out this video. And once you've ensured it's connected, to connect your Instagram account, just click on the module, then click here and choose your Facebook connection. Click continue, again click continue, now click OK, and it's done. For the next module, just click on it, then choose your Facebook connection, click OK, and it's done. So now we have connected our Instagram account. Finally, let's connect our LinkedIn account to this module. To do that, just click on it, then click create a connection and click save. Now it will ask you to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Just enter your email ID and password and click sign in. You will see your LinkedIn profile. To connect it to this module, just click allow, then click OK. With that, we have now completed setting up the final LinkedIn module, which means we have now successfully connected our social media accounts to all these modules. Now to save all the settings that we've done, click save. Once you have saved the automation, next you need to activate the automation. So to activate it, just click here and enable this button. Okay, so now we've successfully completed setting up the automation. Next, let's test and see how the automation works. So to check it, let's go to our Google Sheet and test the automation for each input type. First, we will add a link to an article. So this is the article for which I want to generate a post. It's about what jobs AI will replace. So let's copy this URL. Go back to the Google Sheet and paste the URL here. Then go here and click create and post. As you can see, it has created the content for our post. Now you can review it, and if you want, you can even make changes to the content. Also, you can see that our image has been generated for this post by Leonardo AI. Once you're ready to publish it, click here and click publish. You can see that it has been successfully posted on our social media accounts. It has given the links to the posts on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So if we click on this link, you can see the post on Facebook. The AI has extracted the information from this article and generated the content on our post along with relevant images. Amazing, right? You can also check out the posts on Instagram and LinkedIn as well. Now we have tested the automation by adding a link to the article. Next, let's test it by adding an image URL. This is the image which I am going to use. So let's copy the image URL. Then go back to the sheet. Paste the URL here. Then click here and choose create and post. You can see it has analyzed the image and generated the content based on it. If we click publish, it will automatically publish the post on all our social media accounts. And we can check them out by clicking on these links. Okay, so now we have tested the automation for creating the posts based on an image URL. Finally, let's test it for a plain text input. I prepared a content about a topic, so let's copy it. Then paste it here. And click create and post. You can see it has generated the content. And just like we did before, we can just go ahead and publish the content to our social media accounts. Amazing, right? So that's it, guys. This is how you can effortlessly set up automation on make.com to automate your social media posts. Now, as I said earlier, if you want an even faster way to automate your posts, keep an eye out for GravityWrite's AI social media post tool, which will be launching soon.
Before we move on, let me show you a tool that will be a huge time saver if you're looking to write blogs. It's called GravityWrite. Just enter your title, click create outline, and you've got an outline. Hit generate all, and in seconds, you've got a complete blog with stunning images. Visit GravityWrite.com and get it for 1 full year at just $97.
Now, if you're into marketing, there are some cool AI tools that will make your work a whole lot easier. You can check them out by watching this video. And if you're interested in the best AI tools for creating YouTube videos, then you can check out this video. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.